Grab your old cardboard and trace 2 donut shapes. I'm using tape as a guide. Use a ruler to mark 8 evenly spaced points around the outer edge of each donut. Cut out both donut shapes using your K2 medium-duty aluminum knife. Just remember to work on a self-healing cutting mat for safety and precision. Carefully cut out the inner circles of both donut shapes. On the 8 marked points, cut small slots. This is where your lamp frame will connect. Now repeat the same markings on your second donut shape, then carefully cut them out to match. Choose your lamp's shape. I'm going with a triangle. You can be creative as you want with the shapes. Using your knife, ruler, and cutting mat, cut out pieces cleanly. Create 8 identical shapes and cut them out as well. Align your triangle pieces and mark the top and bottom edges. These marks will guide where to insert them into the donut base. Slide each triangle piece into the slots you made on the donut shapes. Secure everything in place with strong glue. Let it dry completely. Use one of the inner donut circles as a guide. Cut a slightly larger hole to fit the light socket and a stopper. Cut a slit in the new circle piece, then slide the light socket through. Insert your socket into the center of your cardboard lamp frame. Pop in a light bulb of your choice. You're done. Enjoy your handmade upcycled cardboard lamp. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY crafts and tutorials.